In Unit 2, we will discuss the historical evolution of wireless communication system. Wireless communication system has a rich history that spans several centuries. Here is a brief overview of its key milestone. We will divide as early 19th century, late 19th to early 20th century, and early to mid 20th century, World War II era, and late 20th century, and then we discuss about the 21st century. Electromagnetic concept, which leads to the wireless communication, start from 19th century. Scientists and inventors in 19th century made significant discoveries and invention that established the foundation of wireless communication. In 1831, Michael Faraday exhibited electromagnetic induction, the fundamental principle behind the production and transmission of electrical signal. Electromagnetic induction can be defined as the correlation between electricity and magnetism, where the flow of electric current through a wire generates a magnetic field in its vicinity. And similarly, when a wire is wrapped into a coil, the magnetic field becomes much stronger, creating a stationary magnetic field that surrounds the coil and take on the shape of a bar magnet, which clearly defined north and south. Magnetic fundamental equations was formulated by James Maxwell in 1860s. These are the set of four fundamental equations that describe the behavior of electromagnetic field and their interaction with the electric charges as well as current. Maxwell works of electromagnetic equation consist of the following well-known equations such as Gauss law for electric field, and this equation relates the electric field to the electric charge density and the electric constant, which is dielectric constant. It states that electric field divergence at a given point in space is proportional to the charge density at that point. Second law is a Gauss law of magnetic field, and this equation states that magnetic field is a divergence free, meaning that there is no magnetic monopoles. It implies that magnetic field lies and form a closed loop. Similarly, Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. This equation describes how a changing magnetic field induces an electric field. It states that curl of electric field is equal to the negative rate of change of magnetic field with respect to time. And finally, the Ampere law with Maxwell addition. And this equation relates the overall magnetic field to the electric current density J, the permeability of free space and electric field. It states that curl of the magnetic field is equal to the sum of current density and the product of electric dielectric constant and permeability constant, and then at the rate of change of electric field. Maxwell equation unifies the previously known laws of uh, electricity and magnetism, providing a comprehensive description of electromagnetic phenomena and establishing the magnetic theory. They have had a profound implication in wireless communication. In the late 19th century, Marconi conducted a series of experiments and developed practical system for wireless telegraphy. In 1895, Marconi successfully transmitted the first wireless signal over a distance of about 1.5 miles. He went to establish a wireless communication system across increasingly longer distance, include transatlantic wireless telegraphy in 1901. It was a really great development. The, the early 20th century saw significant advancement in wireless communication. In 1906, Reginald conducted the first voice transmission over radio waves. Throughout the 1920 and 30, radio broadcasting gained popularity, enabling the widespread dissemination of news, entertainment, and music. This is another landmark achievement in the era of wireless communication. World War II served as a catalyst for the rapid progress and application of wireless communication technologies that shaping the future of wireless communication in the post-war era. Here are some key aspects. First off, the development of the radar system. Radar detection and ranging, radio detection and ranging technology play a crucial role in World War II. Radar uses radio waves to detect and locate the object such as aircraft, ship, and submarines. Similarly, encryption and cryptography technology, the need of secure communication during wartime led to the development of encryption and cryptography, and various encryption technology and techniques were developed to protect sensitive information transmitted over a wireless communication for a long distance. And similarly, direction finding and jamming. This is another great development. Basically, direction finding were used to determine the location of enemy transmission source, enabling targeted attack or intercepting enemy messages. And jamming technology were employed to disrupt enemy radio communication by transmitting interfering signal on the same frequency, making it difficult for the enemy to receive the transmit information effectively. Advances in wireless electronics. It is really a great achievement because World War II accelerated the development of electronic component and devices. The demand for compact, efficient, and reliable electronics for military application lead to the advancement in vacuum tube, radar system, antennas, and other electronic components. All these World War II advances laid the foundation of subsequent development in wireless communication technologies after the no doubt, wireless communication made remarkable advancement throughout the 20th century, and still it is continuing. Here are some key developments during this period. Radio broadcasting in the 1920s and 30s, radio became a popular medium for entertainment, news, and information dissemination. It allowed the mass distribution of content and connected people across the vast distances. Analog cellular network, the concept of cellular network began to take shape in the 1940s and 1950s. However, it was not until the 1980s that analog cellular network became widely available. System like advanced mobile phone systems in North America and total access communication system in Europe allowed the mobile telephony, enabled the people to make call when while on the move within a network of interconnected cell. Digital cellular network DCN, the 1990s witnessed the transition from analog to digital cellular network. Digital system like a global system for mobile communication and code division multiple access brought advantages such as improved voice quality, increased capacity, and the ability to transmit data. These networks form the foundation of the widespread adoption of mobile phone and paved the way for future wireless technologies. Wireless local area network was really great development. The development of wireless network technology allowed for local area connectivity without the need of physical cable. Wi-Fi emerged as a popular standard for wireless LED in the late 90s and early 20s. Wi-Fi enabled a device to connect to the internet and communicate within a specific range, leading to the proliferation of wireless internet access in home offices and public spaces. Similarly, satellite communication, the use of satellite communication for wireless communication expanded during the 20th century. Satellite enabled long distance communication, linking remote location and providing global coverage. Communication satellite facilitate various services, including television broadcasting, global telephone connectivity, internet access, and data transmission. Wireless is standard and protocol because requirement, it is a great requirement to standardize. Standardization play a crucial role in the advancement of wireless communication. Various organizations developed protocol and standard to ensure capability and interoperability among different wireless devices and network. Examples include Bluetooth for short-range wireless connections, Wi-Fi standard 802.11, and cellular network standard like GSM, CDMA, 3G, 4G, and 5G. And similarly, mobile internet and data services, as wireless network developed. They enable access to the internet and provision of data services on mobile devices. This revolutionized the concept and allowed for activities such as web browsing, email messaging, social media, streaming media, and application-based services on a smartphone and tablets. Here are some key developments in wireless communication during this 21st century. Most important development in the 21st century is the wireless broadband, and Wi-Fi has advances with new standards such as 802.11 AC and 802.11 AX Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi 6E, offering faster speed, improved coverage, and better device density support. Internet of Thing devices such as smart sensors and connected appliances rely on wireless connectivity to communicate and share data. Wireless technologies like Bluetooth, Zigbee, and cellular network enable IoT devices to connect, creating a smart home, smart cities, and various other industrial applications. Similarly, wearable device, wireless communication has enabled the rise of wearable devices, including a smartwatch, fitness trackers, and health monitoring devices. Mobile apps and services. Mobile apps have become a integral part of our life, offering a wide range of functionalities, including social media, entertainment, shopping, productivity, and communication. And similarly, streaming and content consumption, wireless network have facilitated the rise of streaming services for music, video, and other media. Services like YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify rely on wireless connectivity to deliver content to mobile devices and enabling on-demand access to vast of array of media. Connected vehicle, wireless communication has played a crucial role in the development of connected vehicle and technology like cellular network and dedicated short-range communication enable vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to infrastructure communication, supporting features such as real-time traffic updates, collision avoidance system, and autonomous driving. Advancement in wireless technologies. The 21st century has seen advancement in various wireless technologies. For example, there have been improvement in antenna design, beam forming, and BMO techniques to enhance wireless coverage capacity and spectral efficiency. And 21st century advancement have revolutionized the way we communicate, we access the information, we consume the information, and we interact with other environment, driving innovatives and transforming various industries.